Day 2, Volcanoes National Park, 1 week in Rwanda, the ultimate itinerary. Day 2 starts early, with breakfast at the hotel followed by a 10-minute transfer to park headquarters at Kinigi. You need to arrive by 7 a.m., in time for your gorilla trekking briefing. Please note that gorilla permits must be booked well in advance. The hotel can help you with this. During the briefing, you will be assigned to one of the park's habituated gorilla troops. Depending on which you get, the trek to find them can take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours, but the effort is well worth it for the hour you will get to spend observing these great apes in their natural habitat. Be sure to come prepared in sturdy, worn and hiking shoes. When you return from the gorillas, head back to the hotel for a hearty 3-course lunch. All meals are included in your room rate, so it makes sense to take full advantage of them. Whether you have time for an afternoon adventure will depend on how long your morning trek takes, but if you do, we recommend going on a 2.5-hour tour of the nearby Musanze Caves. On your journey through the mile-long cave system, your guide will tell you all about the resident bat colony, the massacre that took place here during the genocide, and the periods of conflict when the caves were used as a refuge by local people. If you don't have time to visit the caves or feel too tired after your gorilla trek, this afternoon can also be spent enjoying the hotel's pool, garden, and massage service before sitting down to dinner.